Positioning and Navigation Training Bench. This specific training bench is developed based on Intelligent Connected Vehicle (ICV) Technology Specialization Program. This bench consists of directional antenna, positioning antenna, 4GS communication antenna, GPS integrated navigation host, 27-inch touch display, and so on. In terms of manufacturing technology, the training bench uses sheet metal bending and low-temperature welding processes. The surface is coated with high-temperature electrostatic spraying process with anti-corrosion and rust prevention features. Solid wood board is installed on the desktop with excellent environmental protection, insulation, and practical performance. Configure dual practical workstations for teachers and students to operate synchronously. The circuit schematic diagram is drawn using color inkjet printing technology at the workstation. Detection terminals are installed on the schematic diagram, which can be used for testing and diagnosis of circuit signals. The training bench is equipped with positioning and navigation training and teaching software. The software mainly includes for parts, cognition, installation and adjustment, fault detection and application. In the cognitive section, students can gain a deeper understanding of the working principles, internal structures, and unmanned vehicle applications of positioning and navigation. In the installation and adjustment section, teaching functions such as disassembly, debugging, and calibration can be completed. In the disassembly and assembly interface, you can learn to disassemble and assemble the equipment by watching videos. In the debugging interface, you can turn on the combined navigation to view location information. Click the calibration button to open the combined navigation calibration interface. In the receiver status, you can view information such as the current position of the receiver. In the satellite interface, you can view the satellites tracked by the receiver and their related information. Click Satellite Settings to enable and disable satellites. In the receiver configuration interface, you can view relevant information about the receiver settings and set the receiver antenna type and reference station location. Divided by O settings can set the receiver's operating mode and data output form. In the network settings, you can view network information and set up the network. Click on Inertial Navigation Configuration to configure and save data output reference points and vehicle parameters. Click Inertial Navigation Configuration to configure and save the data output reference point and vehicle parameters. Click on the compass display to view the receiver attitude compass. The fault detection section is divided into two modes: practical training mode and assessment mode. In the practical training mode, the teacher can directly set circuit faults on the corresponding circuit, allowing students to troubleshoot. In the assessment mode, the teacher can create a set of test papers. After the test paper is created, click Start Exam to allow students to self-diagnose, and then use the mobile app to answer the questions.